Hello, in this section we will enter data for the first month of operations within QuickBooks software and Excel. QuickBooks showing us how to enter that data into accounting software, Excel giving us a more transparent look at what that process is, what the journal entries are, how they're used in order to construct the financial statements. This will be a longer section because we will be entering a full month of data. We're going to first put this information into QuickBooks and then enter the same or similar data into the Excel worksheet, comparing and contrasting the process for each step. We'll be looking at some transactions that will be unique to the starting up of the business, including things like the customer putting or the owner putting money into the business or taking a loan out for the business. And we'll also be focusing more on cash transactions as opposed to accrual transactions in the first month, focusing more on accrual transactions in the second month. In other words, a lot of the transactions we have in the first month, we're going to be exchanging for cash, receive cash for work done, and or pay cash for the expenses. In the second month, we'll focus more on doing things on an accrual basis, meaning we do work and we sent out an invoice or a bill to be paid at a later time. The Excel worksheets can be downloaded, and there will be a link to download the Excel worksheets and work through the problems. The QuickBooks portion will typically include a PDF file, optional that we can use that in order to help work through the problems within QuickBooks, and will include optional backup files that can be used if we would like to jump forward to a particular point in time and work the data set from that point. We can use the backup file in order to do that. Or if we'd like to go back and rework some information, we can download the backup files, restore them, and go back to an earlier point in time within the problem.